What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XRP today. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. All right, here we are at about $2.12, down on the week 6% so far. 2 days, 21 hours left in the week here. Taking a little bit of a spill over the past 24 hours, and that's okay. It looks like actually Bitcoin's recovering a little bit. Hey, look at that. That's not bad. I don't expect that we're going to go lower. I don't think that XRP is in jeopardy at all. I think that we're fine. We're going to be moving up here in a matter of no time at all. We're just having a little shakeout, whatever. It happens. We've got lower lows in the RSI, lower highs in the RSI. We clearly do have a downtrend here on the 1 hour time frame, and typically these downtrends do end once you're in the oversold zone, and we are in the oversold zone. Now, we could see some kind of bullish divergence where we get a higher low in the RSI, and then with that, for bullish divergence to form, you get a lower low. So if we go a little bit lower than this price here at $2.08, that's okay. Even if we go below $2.06 here, that's okay as well. But I think that we're very near the low, if not even at the low. Moments like this are kind of meant to shake the markets out. Oftentimes we get stuff like this that happens right before a big move up, and I think that's exactly what's going to happen. Nothing has changed, right? The day-to-day price has changed, but what's expected over the weeks to come, over the next month or so, and the months after that, nothing's changed. XRP is still likely going to $11 to $15 by the end of July. I'm still holding true to that prediction. That's the expectation, okay? Looking at the 4 hour time frame here, we've got a low here, a lower low there, a low here, a higher low there. That is hidden bullish divergence. We look at XRP on, I don't know, the Coinbase chart, second biggest exchange in the crypto world. It's really not that much volume. It's about the same volume that we saw back here on this downside, actually. But it is picking up in volume a little bit. 25 minutes left in this 4 hour candle. A lot of volume on that initial drop, but then as you continue down, you stop moving so much and your volume died off. Now we're rushing in the other direction. So I do think that, again, we're either at the low or very near the low, okay? I do expect that we'll move up higher from here. I'm not expecting anything too crazy. Hidden bullish divergence, as long as the next 4 hour candle closes green, which I think it will, we will validate this hidden bullish divergence as a good thing in an area to bounce off of. So we're actually at some of the lowest areas in the RSI that we've been at in a while. Damn, we haven't been this low since April, guys. Since April 7th, this is the lowest that we've been in the RSI. Looking like a kind of double bottom overall, a kind of like M pattern overall, but still we haven't been, I say we haven't been this low since April 7th. I just mean we haven't been this low or lower. Clearly we were much lower on April 7th here. And clearly, of course, we can go lower, but I don't think that we will. Let's look at the low to high. I'm kind of curious. Is that the 886? Did we go through the, wow. Deep retracement all the way down to the 886. If you make moves like this, what we look for typically is if you do go down, and I'm not taking it from this high because that's the fake out high. I'm taking it from this high because I feel like that's the move. This was just like a fake out high, right? Hold on. Let me make sure everything's all good. Okay, yeah, it is. I just feel like my computer's kind of glitching for some reason. I need to get a new computer, man, or a cleanup or something like that. I'll figure it out. I do need to get it cleaned up. Actually, it's been like a couple. Yeah. I need to. Anyways, whenever you tear through the golden ratio like this and you hit the 886, what you look for is an immediate close back above the golden ratio. If you get that, you likely will move all the way back up to your 382. If we're back above 222, you guys, we're back up here, back above this low point here. I think that this is just literally exactly what I'm expecting it to be, which is a fake out, some kind of false. It's a shakeout, really, is what it is, right? Because let's be real, that was a real breakout of this trend here. But it's a shakeout in the sense that moves like this are meant to make people panic sell, go short, let loose their longs, whatever, make the wrong decision, panic, and then the price rapidly recovers, trapping anybody who went short and sold down here, making people FOMO the highs, right? Anybody that FOMO'd these highs, they're panic selling. The same panic sellers are going to FOMO back. It's going to be the mouse of death. I don't know. This looks kind of like a mouse, right? It looks like a couple of different things, but we're going to stick with the mouse because that's, I don't know, that's better. Looking at the daily time frame, daily RSI looks all right. Neutral with a bullish tilt. You're at an area to bounce. Yeah, if we can close today green, I think they're at a good area to bounce. Little relative triple top here, or triple bottom, I mean. I still think overall we're in a better position to move up than we are to move down. If we were to go a little bit lower, maybe we complete the thought. Maybe we do go, and this is a thought that we've let go of since like last week. but maybe we do go down to the golden ratio. If we see $1.95, if prices go below $2, please don't freak out. It's okay, right? If it happens, it's probably going to happen either today or tomorrow, and it's fine if we do. I'm not anticipating that at the moment. I know we were expecting that for a long time now, but I've relinquished that. But if we do go below these lows, just understand $1.95 is where we go. If we go below $2.07, $1.95 is where we're going to go. $1.88 is where we're going to go. We will find support there, and we will see rapid recovery by the end of the month. I still expect by the end of the month we will be above $3, if not maybe even at new all-time highs, right? Say hello to Mufasa, everybody. Maybe he just likes XRP. I've said it a couple times, and I've noticed actually that he only shows up whenever things are about to be bullish, but the last two or three times I've said that, I think the price actually went down the day after, so hopefully the price doesn't go down. But I think he just likes XRP because he only comes up for the XRP videos that I've noticed. It literally is just the XRP people, I swear. He likes you. XRP is Mufasa's coin, man. Mufasa XRP. That's the next best meme coin on the block, man. But here we are, $2.13 now. I would say I'm pretty confident that this is the low that we just formed today. This is it, and that this is just some kind of shakeout, and we're going to recover rapidly. But in case I'm wrong, don't freak out if we go to $1.95. It's fine. It's okay. Buy the low, buy the dip, and if you don't have any funds, any dry powder on the side to get into the markets whenever it's down, just hold the dip, hold the rip, and you'll be able to sell that tip whenever we get into into the middle and the late parts of July at about $11 to $15. Again, we derive $11 to $15 from a few different things, but simply put, we take, let's see here, this prior all-time high to the low of this range here, right there at the 1414, that's where I anticipate we'll go. We take a low to a high here. Come on now. Low to a high, we measure that move, and if we were to put it, assuming that we make that same move from here, and I do think that we will, we'll probably run up to our 1414 area. You don't typically stop below the 1414. Typically, you do go above it. I have a lot of reasons to believe that this next move will actually be stronger than the move that brought us up here back in November there. October, was that November? Yeah. But if we are to go near the 1414, the expectation would be not that we stop below it, not that we tip it, but that you go just above it. Typically with the 1414, you do go just above it, and that's $13.57. That's the price. So if we were to go just above that, I think $15 is a good cap. It could go higher. It might not see $13.56. There is a chance where we stop at $11, but something in this zone overall. Even if it's not normal to stop just below the 1414, it still can happen. Not normal things do happen. So something in that area between like $15 and $11. That's what I'm expecting to happen between now and the end of July. I got nothing for you guys. Nothing else for you guys other than that. So thank you all for being here. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Weekly RSI looks fine. 3-day time frame looks fine. Daily is neutral, but with a bullish effect to it, especially if you can hold above this 40. If you get below the 40, maybe we'll take on a bearish effect a little bit. But bouncing above the oversold zone, finding a double bottom there, that's not a bad thing. And then the 4 hour is kind of bad, but the good thing about it is lower lows with higher lows in the price. That is hidden bullish divergence, and that's actually a good thing in itself as well. And typically, again, before we go here, it's not common to just move all the way through like this. It's really not common, like absurdly uncommon. If you rip all the way through and you find support at the 886, oftentimes you do look for some intense volatility afterwards. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if we hit 222 to 226 either by the end of today or by the end of tomorrow, and then onwards and upwards after that. I got nothing else for you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, take a breath, blink, wake up, go to sleep, wake up. This price is going to be higher. All right, bye-bye.